Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the US dollar index for Wednesday, May the 12th, 2010. Well, a continuation of the trend in the first time frame today. We have a candle with a higher high and a higher low. One problem here is that we have a fairly small green body. What we'd like to see is a larger green body, and that does raise some doubt about the continuation of this trend in the first time frame. This is a hanging mean type pattern. It's not quite perfect, but it's basically when we have a small body at the top of the range with a fairly large shadow down below, and it looks like a man that's hanging. They occur at the top of uptrends. Now, this isn't a substantial uptrend either. It's only consists of 3 candles or 2 candles from when it started. So, it's quite hard to call this as being a good solid indication of there being a potential reversal, but that potential is still there because of that small green body. The small green body is telling us that the buyers made a small amount of net bullish progress between the open and the close. And what we want to see as the first time frame uptrend develops is we want to see that actually getting larger and larger as it develops, and that hasn't been happening. Having said that, though, there is strong support offered by the shadow on the bottom of this candle, a fairly long shadow, and the buyers came in. So the buyers showed commitment when the market was trading down here. The sellers lost all of their commitment, and the buyers came in, closed the market back up towards the high for the bulls to close in control for the trading day. Now, we are trading up above the cloud or the Kumo, so the market has an overall positive bias, and the market is trading up above the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, which means that in the medium-term and fast-term timeframes, the market is bullish. Interestingly, though, that both the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen are now pointing flat, and that's reflecting the market lacking any real upside momentum. The market was trending up quite strongly, came off, found support down around this zone of support here in the highlighted yellow color, and now has really had trouble trending up and testing that swing high up around 85.25. So with both of these indicators being flat, there is a potential for the market to come back towards these, and those indicators represent equilibrium in the fast term and medium term timeframes, and there is potential for the market to want to find equilibrium. We can see that the market's attempting to do that. This is potentially forming some sort of a congestion area around here. Having said that, though, we do need evidence of that occurring, so the low of the current candle becomes very important for a potential lower high and lower low. There is still potential for the market to continue trading up, though. So we do need to watch the high of the current candle for the market to potentially test the swing high at that 85.25 level and then go on its way, continue in the second term time frame uptrend that the market's in. So a bullish market overall. All of the indicators are bullish in relation to where the market's trading in relation to them, but some small signs that may indicate that the market might relax and come off and find potential support around these areas.